Photographers and videographers, just be honest with me and let me know how many apps that you are using to just keep your business running. One for project, another for contract, another for client, another for invoice, another for team, another for final gallery, and lot more. It's messy, it's expensive, and it's slowing you down. Every day you're juggling 5 to 10 apps just to stay organized. You wasted time switching the platform. You are paying monthly multiple subscriptions, and still things are getting messed up. And that's the only reason that Syncwing developed their own web app, which is specially developed just for the photography and videography businesses. With Syncwing, you can manage your entire business from a single dashboard. Whether projects, contracts, invoice, gallery, your team, your finance, and your lead generation. One login, one system, one price. No more chaos, no more wasting money, just clarity, control, and growth. Once you switch to our web application, there will be no looking back. Our web app have all the features and tools which a photographer and videographer might be looking for. Once you cancel all the previous subscriptions and move to our web app, you will save lot of time and money. You will get a app which helps you to grow to next level. And here's something that you wouldn't find anywhere else. Inside our web application, we have built a feature request tab, and that means if there is any tool and feature that is missing, you can request it directly inside the app. And if enough photographer and videographer are looking for that same feature, we will build that for you. This isn't just a software, it's a platform which is just designed for a photography and videography business need. I have been in this photography and videography business from the last 6 years, and I know what all the struggles that you have to face. That's why we have built something which a photographer and videographer is looking for. From sending your first proposal to the final gallery, we have covered everything. And when you look at the comparison, you can easily say you will save a lot of money. So here is the question: how long you are going to waste your time and money on the tools which are not built for you? If you are ready to run your entire business from a single dashboard, then click on the free trial and get settled. And if you have any question and doubts, you can book a call with us now.